A journey through time, mastering the future continuous tense. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting aspect of grammar: the future continuous tense. This tense allows us to talk about actions that will be happening at a certain point in the future. So, buckle up and let's get ready to explore the future. The future continuous tense expresses an action that will be ongoing or in progress at a certain time in the future. It is formed using will be or going to be plus the present participle, base verb plus ing. Here's the structure. Positive, subject plus will be plus verb, ing. Negative, subject plus will not be plus verb, ing. Question, will plus subject plus be plus verb, ing. Examples. Positive, I will be studying when you arrive. Negative, I will not be studying when you arrive. Question, will I be studying when you arrive? The future continuous tense is mainly used in three scenarios. 1. To describe an ongoing action that will happen in the future. 2. Example, this time tomorrow, I will be flying to Paris. 3. To predict or guess about a future event. 4. Example, don't call them at 8 p.m. They will be having dinner. 5. To politely ask about someone's plans. 6. Example, will you be using the car tomorrow? There's a tiny difference between the two. 1. Will be is often used when the decision about the future event was made at the time of speaking. Example, it's hot. I will be going swimming later. 2. Going to be is used when the decision about the future event was made before the time of speaking. Example, it's hot. I'm going to be going swimming later. I decided this before now. Remember, this is a subtle difference and not always strictly adhered to in everyday conversation. And there we have it. You've just ventured through the fascinating landscape of the future continuous tense. It might take some time to master, but keep practicing, and you'll get there. Remember, the future is yours to express. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this session was helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting grammar adventures. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.